In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change photo in Chat GPT. By the end, your account will show a new profile picture whenever you use Chat GPT on this browser. First, open your browser and search for Chat GPT. In the address bar or search box, type Chat GPT with a space between the words, then press Enter to run the search. You should see several results appear, usually with the official site near the top of the page. Now look through the search results and click on the correct link. You want the one that clearly shows the official ChatGPT site, with the address from OpenAI underneath the title. When you click it, a new page will load and you should see the ChatGPT welcome or sign-in screen. Next, click Login. You will usually find this button near the top right of the page. When you click Login, a new panel or page appears offering several sign-in choices. Here, choose between logging in with Google, Apple, phone, or email, and then follow the prompts depending on the option you select. For example, Google or Apple may open a small pop-up asking you to pick an account, while phone or email will ask you to type in your details and then enter a code or password. Once you finish the prompts, you will land on the main ChatGPT chat screen with the message box at the bottom. With that ready, click on the profile photo at the bottom left of the screen. If you have never set one before, this might appear as a colored circle with your initials or a simple user icon. When you click it, a small menu or panel slides out, showing options related to your account. From there, click Profile. This opens your profile page or a profile section where you can see your display name, email, and your current profile picture. It is a good spot to double-check that you are editing the correct account, especially if you use more than one login. Next up, click on the photo. A File Explorer window will appear where you can choose a photo to change into, then click Open. In this file window, navigate through your folders until you find the image you want to use, such as a clear headshot. When you click the image and then click Open, the window closes and the new picture appears in the profile preview. Many beginners forget to pick a high-resolution image, so prefer a picture that looks sharp even in a small circle. After that, click Save. When you do, the profile page updates and your new photo is stored on your ChatGPT account. You should now see the new image in the bottom left corner, replacing the previous icon in the sidebar. You have just changed your profile photo in ChatGPT, so if this helped you update your look, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick ChatGPT guides.